Action.
Alright guys, so today we are putting a screen protector on our 2025 Honda CB300R. As you can see the display here, I was just able to pick up a screen protector from Amazon. It was about $13.99. Comes with all the installation stuff inside. So you could either get a screen protector or you could buy a used one of these for $300. So let's do it. Alright, so inside we have our screen protector here labeled front and back. Make sure you play around with it. It's facing the right direction when you put it on the bike here. And then here is our prep supply. So we'll open that. Looks like we have wet wipes, microfiber, some dust absorbers, and then just a little card to flatten it out. Alright, so we're opening up our wet wipe here. We're gonna clean it nice and good. All right. So then we'll use our tiny little microfiber that they give us just to dry it. All right, so now we're gonna use our dust absorber here. Oh, this one's really sticky. If I want it flush to this side, then I'm gonna have a lot of exposure here. So I kind of have to play with it to get it in the right spot. But I also want it straight. Exposed in my opinion. So we'll peel it off, we'll work that bubble out. It's not a big deal. It looks like that's the only one. Maybe one down here. So here it is with our screen protector on it. It might be a little hard to see for you guys on camera, but it looks pretty good for me. So you can see the bike's brand new still, only 103 miles on it.